Hello, good morning, student. Today we will learn our new poem. The poem is given after our textbook of ninth class, chapter number 1. You can see we have learned chapter first or second also, and now the poem we will start. Okay, and page number 15. Okay, of our textbook. The poem is given on the page number 15, the road not taken. Okay, um, this well-known poem is about making choices. Okay, in our lifetimes or in particular times we have more than one choices and more alternate, but that times we have to choose only single thing, single choice, and single way and single road. Okay, and single alternate, and that times we our mind is not working and we are in totally in dilemmas. Okay, and this is happens with every person in every life. Okay, but in this advise us which way should we choose, and which way the poet taken, and what the result he got it. Okay, so let us read the poem. This well-known poem is about making choice. One thing is this: the poem is gone on around the choices, alternate, and the ways, the roads, the path we have, and that shape us. And reason, if we have a lot of choices and we have to choose only single one, that times we are very confused, our mind is not working in, we are think we should one, and sometimes we think we should this one. So what are to change life, that change our future? So our decision is very important. That okay. So Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply. Okay, the writing is very simply, but other way, uh, his writing is full of insight views. Okay, and about common ordinary experiences. Okay, so the writing, the words he used is very simple, but the point but first is based on common ordinary experience with full insight views. Okay, so we will this in poems. In these poems, poet just going into the in go anywhere. Okay, the way go to the yellow wood, and in the middle of the yellow wood, the road diverges in two way and two roads. Okay, going and another place. Second one is another difficult to choose which way. Which way? Okay, to got the destination. So poet say us, okay, which way he choose and what will be the result of that choices. Okay, so let us start this poem. We will learn all the poems line to line and stanza to stanza. Try to understand what the themes of the poet, and of this poem. Intention, what is of these poems, and we will apply in our life also. So let us start the poem. Uh, I just going to okay. This is the first stanza of our poems. A road that is not taken. Okay, the road not taken. Sorry. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler and one to where it bent in the undergrowth. Okay, in this in the stanza, poet just saying, describing, okay, his journey. He is going on one path, but suddenly he found that there is the path, the road is diverged, okay, into two way, and he is not he don't know which will be better way to for him. Okay, so two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Okay, the word yellow wood means the forest is not yellow, but all the leaves of that forest becomes yellowish. Okay, they are become spell, so all the plant, all the tree of being looking like and in yellow color. So the words yellow wood. Okay, the words is so is used. Okay, in the yellow wood, the poet found two way. The main road is diverged in two roads, and poet say, "I am sorry, I could not travel both because he is the single one." Okay, and be one traveler, but it is the single traveler. It's not possible for the single traveler. Then he can took the both path, both road, both ways. Okay, and can travel both. One person can choose only one path. Okay, to move to travel. Okay, and be one traveler. Long I stood. Or so this is the this times it is very confusing situation. Which way should the poet should choose? So he just wait for long time and try to decide which way will be better. And that time he think about the way and say and see what he see. Look down as far as I could see. He just watching and thinking about the way. In the other literary in the literary meaning, it means the poet is thinking about his decision and the choices. There are two choices, okay, in front of the poet. Either he chose the first road, or either he second road. So he's just thinking about the road. Okay, in literally meaning it means he's thinking about his decisions, about the choices, and that will be, what will be the result of them. So he thinks he see the road as far as he could, and as far as she could he could see the road is covered with undergrowth. You can undergrowth. Undergrowth means scrub, wild, okay, nearby the roadside that is covered with the. Okay, after the undergrowth tree, okay, the poet can't see anything. Okay, okay. So in this poem, the poet just found two way in the yellow wood, and he takes some time to decide which way he should take, which way should be taken by him, and he can see through the road, and he found that the road is bent glass in bent into the it after the turn. The poet can't see, okay, ahead of the bend. Same the way, same the things happen in our life. We can took the choices, single decision, single alternate, but we can't say what will be after that. Sometimes we choose the simple way and very simple looking thing, but after some time the things becomes very difficult on our thinking about our knowledges. Okay, so let's move to the, and in this one the diverse means separated. Okay, you just see the meaning diverse divided into two, it means separated. Okay, one road is separated to another road. Okay, and the undergrowth, the word undergrowth means, okay, the road undergrowth means, okay, wait minute. Undergrowth means the wild plants, scrubs. Okay, that one. Band, that run. Okay, that band means that run. Let's start the second stanza. The second stanza is this one. The poet just say, then I took the other, okay, just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as far that the passing there wants them the same. The poet says, I just see the side, I see, okay, till the bend of the way, and that is gone into the undergrowth, the scrub, and the other plants, okay, densely growth in that area nearby the first road. The poet just say, I don't took the first road, I just took the another way, because that is just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, and that way also have the better claim, better demand. Okay, better demand action, because it was grassy. I choose the road second because it was grassy. Sorry, grassy that is full of grass and wanted weir, and every person wanted to took that way. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same, and this is the same as the earlier first. the first road, because it is not, it means the road is grassy, and that first road also will be would be same as the second road. Once the first road also the grassy, and nobody would went from there, and now the second road is same, that is not, that is full of grass, and that is not worn, that is not worn, that is not disturbed by anyone, because that is fully grassy, and the grass is not destroy and print the people, the whenever the persons move on the grass being to worn. Okay, so the sabby grass, it means footprint went and went and went. Okay, the grass being despair. And now the second way is grassy, so the poet choose the second way. Okay, it means the poet one thing is poet choosing the way that is not, that is maybe difficult for him, but at last he takes the risk to choose the different way that is not selected by the other person, other traveler. Okay, in this point. And he says that the other way was as justified as a choice as the first one, because whenever the person comes in this yellow forest, and he find the both way equal, so the first come here, and he have knowledge that first way is chosen by the every person, and the second one is not selected, the so he taken this road. Okay, but the poet just says the road is claiming have the same claim as the first one, because the first time the first road have the same things as the second road have. Okay, so the poet take the risk to walk the second road. Okay, and this grassy, that is full of grass, on that is scrub. Okay, sabby, and sabby. Okay, perhaps maybe okay, passing, you can the course, the way. Okay, let's start the third stanza of the poem. Okay, I just highlight the stanza. Okay, and both that morning equally lay, leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the for another day, knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. Okay, the poet says, it means the when the poet is walking in the yellow wood, this is the early morning times, or in early morning times, all the way are very fresh. So in early morning, nobody okay would have traveled on them. So the poet say, oh, and both the first way, road and the second road, that morning equally lay. They are equally lay. It means they are same lay on the ground. In leaves, no had trodden back, and the leaf and the other plants and trees are fallen down on the path are fresh, because no traveler okay went on above over them. Okay, they are not had trodden black, and they are now fresh. They are not trodden black, they are not covered in, they are not covered in. Okay, basic trodden means that is what somebody just over a leaves, and the leaves being okay, the color of leaves also being little black. So you can say the road, there is no sign of any footprint on the way. So both way are very simple and very fresh. Okay, so this is the reason the bow any sign of the travelers, because there is of any traveler, so both way are very fresh and fresh looking that time. But poet say, I kept the first for another day. And the poet said the first way that road, first part, first way that is taken by the every travelers. I have opportunity. I can travel. I can choose the path. I can decide to walk that path, that road in another day. It's knowing way leads. The poet choose the second way. He's just expecting it. I have taken. I would taken the road, second road in any times. But although this is not confirmed, he that time know how many leads on the way. It means yet knowing how way leads on to way. It means that he know it will be not confirmed for the way. Okay, the way, the methods, what is your method that took you, okay, for their destination. This is the reason. It means what you took, okay, that decide what will be your way, what will be your path. So I doubted if I should ever come back. It means the poet is come satisfy saying that I is to the first road that is taken by the another persons also, but he just postponed to walk on the first road, and he took the second road because he just saying I have an opportunity to take on the other road, and he also know that it is not confirms I will become back or not. Same things happen in our life when we have alternate and think these things we anytime, but this is the good thing, we have to do this. Okay, sometimes you have opportunity to go to the to a visit in any relation or any place. Okay, that time we can say that is very very near for us. Okay, we can take that way. Okay, but the second is very far and very interesting for people hours. Okay, so we should choose the second one, and we give excuse to ourselves. This is happen the selection of the first choice, selection of the first alternate is very simple. We can take the choice in any times, okay, in back, but in reality we can't come back in our life. Okay, when we choose one, our things start from that one, that things. Okay, let's see in the last stanza of the poem. I shall be telling with this with a sign. Okay, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in the wood, and I took one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Okay, in this stanza, poet just saying that to take to took the second path, also took the second path, but in future I will tell everything about, I will think about everything about my decision. I have took the second road. I left the first road for the second choices, and also thinks I will choose the first road any times whenever I come back. But he say after ages and ages, after many I will tell with deep breath. You can see the little sign of sorrow. Two roads diverge in a wood. He's just telling the story in future in his granddaughter, grandson also. Two roads diverge in a wood. I took one less traveled by. Okay. In future, I will tell all this to anyone that in after many years later there were two choices for to me, one other is going to the other place, but I choose the way, the road, the path that is less traveled by anyone. And at this time what I am and what is my progress, what I achieve in my life, this is the things that is based on my decision that I choose the second road. And second road, as we know, road is not the force of Damar and a metaphorical use. Okay, road refer to the choices, road refer to the our alternate, our decision we have taken in confusion, okay, in dilemmas situation. Okay, so in the last line, the poet looking like a little positive, and the stanza is also reflective stanza. In this poem, the poet say, whenever we took the second way, that is more difficult to the first one, and the first way is taken by every person, but that is not important. We should take the risk in our life. We should choose the different path. We should choose the different travel. And if we take our decision very uniquely, okay, that make changes in our life. So this is the poem, okay, and we should do all the question answer of this poem given after. Okay, Herald means in the future. The poem, the question, why does the traveler find himself, what problem does he face? Discuss what these phrases means to you. A yellow wood, and it was grassy and wanted. Wanted wears, wanted, that is not, that has not been you chosen. Wanted wear, the appeal to not selected, that is not used. Okay, the passing there, passing, that means of the course, leaves no step had trodden black, how way leads on the way. So we will do all the question answer of the poems given in the chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.